इसके बारे में समय है।
हाँ, अच्छा तारा ज्ञान.
These elderly women have seen more than 60 spring of life. They are someone's grandmother and someone's grandfather. At the age of reading and writing of grandchildren, these grandparents themselves have taken a pen and have taken the step towards becoming literate.
Now I have learned to write my name. Earlier I used to use thumb impressions.
If we go somewhere, we do not have to provide a thumb impression.
These grandmothers are learning to write English alphabets. These views have become common in Uttarakhand's hill district Uttarkashi. These women who were once confined in their homes after crossing the threshold of age are now coming out of home and learning the wisdom. Every day, after dealing with the day-to-day work of the house, these grandmothers of the village arrive at the chopal with their friends. These women bring copy pencils with great enthusiasm in this chopal.
Previously we used to put a thumb. I did not know how to read and write. Now we are working hard to study.
We have learned to write our names. Previously, we used to put a thumb. Now we have got little knowledge of writing our basic details.
Although it is common to have chopal in every village, but it is not the common one, as it educates the senior citizens. In the Lothru and Sirol villages of the development block Bhatwadi, there is a different atmosphere on the chopals. The enthusiasm of these women about education is really worth watching. While welcoming the initiative of the Uttarkashi district administration, these elderly women say that they have no hesitation in taking education at this age. Due to family circumstances, she did not get an education at the right time. So right at this age, all women are studying with passion and great enthusiasm. Some have even learned to sign themselves.
First learn the alphabets. Now we are trying to read the whole book.
Actually, this initiative has been taken by the district administration to educate elderly women. There are 3,115 illiterate in Bhatwadi block, for which Model Literate Development Block has been started.
जी जनपद में मॉडल ब्लॉक के रूप में भटवाड़ी को हम
We are working on a campaign to make the model block Bhatwadi fully literate in the entire district. Till June 2021, the effort is to give basic knowledge to all elderly women and men, or those who couldn't get the opportunity to study in the Bhatwadi block, so that the entire block can become literate. The education department is going to the villages and teaching them through volunteers. Books have also been arranged for them. We are also providing material for writing. It's getting a good response. Other tasks that are done by the reading and writing will be convenient. Good information will be received about the task of rationing or agriculture work.
राशन के कार्य हो गए या कृषि से संबंधित कार्यों में भी और अच्छी जानकारी प्राप्त हो सकेगी।
8 दिसंबर से हम इस
We have been working on this mission since December. It is our endeavor that we are going from house to house teaching every hour.
आधा घंटा डेली पढ़ा रहे हैं।
इसके लिए उन्होंने सबसे पहले हमें कॉपी पेंसिल स्टेशनरी वगैरह सभी चीज उपलब्ध कराई और जब उन्होंने अपना
When all the rural women have learned their name, after that we have been provided with the book etc. in which these people are writing and reading gradually. Everyone is trying to read and write.
धीरे-धीरे जो है सभी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो पढ़ लिख सकें।
There is a lot of enthusiasm among the elderly women about this school. It is to be noted that according to the 2020 survey of the National Statistics Office, Delhi is second only to Kerala with an 88.7% literacy rate after Kerala. Uttarakhand is in the third position with 87.6%. It is commendable to have such an initiative in rural districts, with this figure of the hill state and improved. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.